This one's getting pretty big. I think I'm gonna pop it off and try cooking it up and just see what it tastes. Cut it into 3 little steaks that are about an inch thick or so. Now I'm gonna kind of brown it and dry it a little bit and then cook it in butter. As one who does not necessarily like mushrooms at all in their cooked form, so many people have said this stuff tastes like lobster or crab that I had to try it. So I'm just kind of crisping it, and I think removing just a little bit of moisture so it retains its shape. Now I've got it frying in butter and garlic salt. Smells so good, but what doesn't smell good is garlic and butter salt. I'm gonna let it sit for just a second, then flip it, and then let it sit and see.